Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. So, today, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, I have a stack, big stack, of boxes that I need to get through. This is huge. I'm not sure, there's no, oh, there is, it's a purple. So that means it's a fun box. I received it 12/10 of 2023 from Mechanicsburg. So hope everyone is doing really well. It is a big box. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Give you guys first looks. Alright. Something wrapped in there. Alright. Gonna try to make room. Alright, so look at these. These are US 7/8 camo gray slippers. I can't see a name in there, but aren't those cute? These sell. I sell a ton of slippers, so that's a great thing. All right, let's see. This, I've never seen a padded bra like this. This is like, seriously, this whole thing, it's like padded through here. Wow. US $64.50. Victoria's Secret. It is black and it is a front buckle, and then it also has straps, so I believe it's convertible. I'll have to get that untangled, but isn't that a cool bag? So this is a size 34C, so that's great. Wow, they are so padded. Kate Spade. All right, this is like a fluorescent orange, I guess I would call it, wallet. The inside looks good. Looks pretty good. Let's see if the zipper works. It's a cute color. There is some darkening here. I can try to wipe that down with a tub of towels. The zipper works, so great. Kate Spade, Victoria's Secret. This is a good box. Little Santa socks. Aren't these sweet? Fit size 9 to 11. So what I'll do is I'll pop prices up for you guys. All right. We're going to open this last. I have no clue what it is. All right. So then we have I've been getting a lot of clothes in my fun boxes. This is Savage Fenty, size, I don't know. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a robe. It's pretty. It's really pretty. There's got to be a size on here. A size large. It is polyester and, okay, it's all polyester. So that's pretty. It's like a, I don't know if you guys can see that print from there. It's like a terracotta, I guess I would call it. So nice. And let's see, it has a belt, so great. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Ooh, it's a little owl. Oh my God, this is precious. Oh, look at it. This is fantastic. Let's see if there's any maker's mark. No. Wow, look at that. That is precious. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. All right. Got a pair of glasses and it says Bellamy. But that doesn't mean the glasses are Bellamy. Let's see. I don't see anything written out. They're really dusty. So there we go. Bellamy. They don't look like they're scratched. I think they're just dusty. But yeah, I'll have to do a little research on those. But yeah, they are really dusty. And there's a cleaning cloth. Alright. Then we got another pair of socks. These are shoe size 4 to 10. Sorel. That is a fantastic company. These are lovely. I wonder if they're wool. They're acrylic, merino wool, polyester, and lycra. That means I'm going to start itching in about 5 minutes. Alright, then we got a Samsonite little, oh, it's a carry case. So like you could put jewelry or toiletries in here, but then you have 3 little bags. They have little pulls. Oh, that's great for travel. That's fantastic. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Then in the bottom, we have a black and gray tote. It feels like a PVC. Made in China. So that's cute. You could probably hold a smaller laptop in there. So that's nice. Alright. I have no clue what this is, but it's ribbed or something. Alright, let's open it. It's like Christmas all over. I wasn't kidding either. Look at it. Is a snowman. Oh, is he sweet? So you could probably put, you know, something like the tinsel in there. Strip some lights in there. I was looking to see if, oh, it does open. Ooh. So you could put a candle in there. You could put different things in there. That is really sweet. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cute. 7 with the robe. 8, the incredible padded bra. 9, yeah, 9 with the Kate Spade. 10 with the ho-ho socks. And 11 with the slippers. So great box. I like boxes like this. So great brands in there too. So if you guys are interested, you can email me at timelessjewel.Deborah. All the information will be down below. And also I'll put up a green screen. I will pop up prices throughout. So yeah, let me know. And as always, you guys take care of each other and be well. Tell someone you love them today. I'll talk to you soon.